Scorpio, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung anong energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances. Ngayong August 2024. Ayan. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay. Let's see, Scorpio. What's coming to your money, kaperahan? August 2024, kaperahan energies. Harmony, ayan, balance. Balance ng iyong kaperahan. So, kung ano yung needs mo, this will be met, no? Makukuha mo yung needs mo. Ano rin to, pagbabalanse. Well balanced na work tsaka life. Life-work balance. Or work-life balance. Oo. So, kung kayo medyo naging busy sa ibang bagay nung nakaraang buwan, ngayon, babawi kayo dun sa napabayaan nyo. Lalo na kung napabayaan ninyo trabaho nyo or iba pang pinagkakakitaan. Let's say, meron kang existing na trabaho sa isang company, tapos pinagsasabay mo yung mga sideline, online selling, pa-order, ganyan. Tapos napabayaan mo kasi may kailangan kang asikasuhin sa trabaho. So ngayon, babalik uli yung oras at panahon mo sa mga importanteng bagay sa career mo, sa business mo. Best possible decision o kung meron kang kailangang pagdesisyonan pagdating sa iyong kaperahan ngayong August, yan, makukuha mo yung pinaka-best. Oo, minsan kasi maraming options, no? Tapos nalilito tayo, alin dito yung makakabuti talaga. So, you will be able to decide or choose ano yung best for you. Ayan, daming energy ng mga Scorpio for your money, career, finances. So, pwedeng kayo ngayon, you are very pumped up. Oo, lalo na yung iba kasi, mas nagdo-double time sila pag August. Kasi sabi nga, ghost month daw. For some people, totoo yun, but ako personally, I don't believe sa ghost month, no? Depende yan sa effort na ibibigay mo, sa manifestation mo rin, and at the same time, yung dedication mo sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. So, you have a lot of energy. You have a lot of inspiration. Very inspired ka ngayong August to make more money. Okay, let's see what else. Scorpio. Uy, the tower. Nako, mukhang meron kang bigla ang desisyon, no? So, maaring itong best possible decision mo, biglaan siya. Pwede yung iba sa inyo, bigla magre-resign. Kasi sa tingin nyo, it's time. Maaring matagal nyo nang pinag-isipan yan. Ito ay nasa subconscious mo lang. Tapos biglang nagkaroon ng trigger sa'yo na, okay, ito na. This is the sign, parang ganon. Let's see, ano pa. The High Priestess, oh, you feel like, ito na yung tamang panahon, no, to make some changes in your career, in your business, in your finances. And I think in making this decision, very much guided ka ng iyong instinct, ng iyong intuition. Napaka-sensitive ng mga Scorpio. Kumbaga yung kanilang judgment, decision making is really more on para siyang pinagsamang logic tsaka intuition. Let's see what else. Oh, you have the Emperor. You have the power. You have a very powerful structure sa iyong career, sa iyong business. Some of you, maaring merong leadership role sa trabaho, sa career. Yung iba naman, entrepreneurial skills. You are building your empire. You are building a very strong foundation in your business. Yung iba naman, established na yung negosyo nyo. Kumbaga, mini-maintain nyo na lang, no? With the sun here, this is about confidence. Confidence mo in pursuing your goals, confidence mo in being more creative. So, pwedeng may mga creative projects ka ngayong August na kung saan you will involve in leadership, no? Parang ikaw yung magiging leader ng creative project na yan. And this is going to be successful. Mag-open to ng iba pang opportunities para sa'yo. Pwedeng multiple opportunities. You also have the Hanged Man. Kakaroon ka ng pagbabago pagdating sa disposition mo sa buhay. Pwedeng yung belief system mo nagbabago. Na kung dati may fina-follow ka na mantra sa career, sa trabaho mo, pero ngayon, nagbabago na yan. Maaring hindi na kasi nagwo-work for you yon eh. Oo. So, kumbaga sa'yo, through experience, dun mo mas natutunan, no, yung mga lessons na madadala mo for your future plans sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. O, Ten of Swords, something is ending here. Ending a situation sa trabaho mo, sa business, because you feel like this is already stressful or parang you feel na, ayun na, kumbaga tapos na yung kontrata mo, ganon. And ayaw mo nang i-renew. Yung iba dito, no, yung maaring may nagtapos na contract, hindi mo na i-renew kasi may iba ka ng plano. Oh, you have the Two of Cups. Oh, kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo may iba ng plano is because merong kang family member or romantic partner na tumutulong sa'yo para sa bagong kabanata ng buhay mo, ng career mo. Maybe you're going to start your own business with your family. Oo, kaya naisip mo na, okay, ayoko nang magtrabaho para sa ibang tao. It's time to be my own boss. Oh, 'di ba? Four of Swords, nagpapahinga ka na. Ayaw mo nang ma-stress. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyong maraming choices, pero you will end up sa best possible decision. And I think makakapag-decide ka what's best for you the moment na ikalma mo yung sarili mo. The moment na magpahinga ka muna. Yung tipong kung meron ka major decision sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, subukan mo na magbakasyon muna. Tapos, after nun, may sagot ka na dyan kung ano yung pinaka-best na choice or option for you. Major challenge to overcome, yes. O-overcome mo kung ano man itong challenge mo sa iyong trabaho, sa career. Especially kung galing ka sa isang career na talagang na-build mo na, matagal na. Ang hirap i-let go, di ba? But, may mga hangganan kasi talaga. And you feel like it's time to end that chapter. Situation in the balance that require careful handling. This is about your decisions na kailangan mong ayusin. And also your finances din. Mas magiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. O mag-ingat sa doble karang kaibigan. Lalo na mas bata sa'yo. Dealings or relationship with a younger woman. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes. Baka kasi yung iba sa inyo, aalis sa work, tapos ika-counter kayo na, wag ka mag-resign, ito offer ko. Pero yung offer naman is halos wala rin namang kaibahan dun sa dati mong compensation na kukuha, diba? So, thanks but no thanks. Ganon. Good advice from a wise person. So, meron ka matatanggap na magandang advice galing sa isang tao na marami siyang knowledge. Oo. You should accept valid criticism. And also, yung mga constructive criticism na sinasabi, okay lang yun. Kasi, syempre, feedback yan eh. Yan yung paraan natin para mas mag-improve pa. Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes, you are following your own unique path, Scorpio. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. So there's definitely growth in your career, in your finances. Kailangan mo lang tong i-embrace. Tanggapin ang pagbabago na yan. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yes. Like what I mentioned kanina, napakalakas ng instinct nyo. And that is going to help you in making that best possible decision. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.